Today, I want to show you two new apps that I have added to the platform and give you the instructions on them. So this is actually my back office of the platform. Depending on where you have signed up, yours is going to look a little bit different, but all the apps look the same. So let's go to Quote Finder. And I'm not going to generate these because these take some time and I want this video to be pretty quick. But what you do is you put in a theme here. Let's say, I don't know, dreams and vision. And you can generate it and it'll start going. But some of these here should pull up. Oh, it's not going to pull up for me. Okay. While it's generating, it won't pull up my old ones, but we'll come back to that. So that's the first one. It's very easy to do. You just put in, you know, what you're thinking about, and it's going to generate three quotes for you. Oh, look, it's done already. It's quick. Okay, so all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Vision without execution is just hallucination. If you want to make your dreams come true, the first thing you have to do is wake up. If you don't like those, put in here, give me three more, give me four more. I'll show you, like this one, I did that. Give me five more, specifically for women. Give me 10 more. So if you don't get a response that you like, go back. All right, and then I always have another platform open, and so I can jump back and forth. You can open up two tabs. So I just wanted to show you this. This is called Quote Canvas. And what you do is you can upload an image, which I did here, or you can have AI generate one. I wanted to show the upload vision this time, so version. So I uploaded my image. If you want AI to generate one, you put your theme here. I chose photorealism, but there's lots of options you can choose from. I put AI empowers as my watermark. I want it at the bottom center, and I want the aspect ratio to start. I said 16:9. You can choose others, but I will tell you there are some problems. Sometimes it does not generate the right ratio for you, but I'll show you how to overcome that. So I put this image in, and this is what I received. It gave me, I think I did ask for a one-to-one on this one, and so it did give me a one-to-one. It didn't put the my watermark in all of them, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. All right, so that's what it gave me initially. I work with women mostly though, so I gave it a prompt and said, please make this person a woman. So it did, but I still didn't quite like that. So I asked it to put it in a dress. Now I like this one. It put her in a dress, a flowing dress, walking. The image is almost exactly the same. You can see that if I do, well, it gave me three of them. But here was the original, okay? So yes, I like that, but I did need it in a one-to-one ratio. So I changed that and it gave me this. All right, then I want to put my quote in here. So you go here to edit and you can see, I'll show you, it did give me a quote. I just copied and pasted my quote in there. So that's the end result. But to do that, you go here, hit edit, and you just choose what you want. Now, if you do not like this watermark down here, you can go over here to AI Touch, Magic Remove, and you can just erase it. Okay, I'm going to leave it because I like it. There's other edit options here. We're not going to go into all of those right now, but I do want to show you the text. So you choose text. You just put your text box here. I'm going to go over, it's not going to go with this image, but I'm going to go over and grab one of those. Let's see. Let's do this one. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And then you go back, you highlight this text box, and you drop it in there. You can then change the size. Let's get rid of that text there. You can change the color. I always go in, it needs to be a little bit bigger to get all of that in there. I always go in and cut the author, cut that out, and, move this wherever you want. I'm going to leave it right there, even though we're kind of running out of space. If that image wasn't right there, you can move it to the middle. But anyway, then I go in and I do another text, and I make the font extra small, and I add the author, and I move this text box, get it to move wherever I want. Okay, so you can make that quote bigger, you can make it smaller. You've got a perfect quote image for yourself. Let's see, it's going to generate it here, and then you can find it. That's the first one I did, and here is the second one I did. Then you just go here and you download it. Okay? Perfect, easy, put it on your social media. It works awesome. Let me see. I'll show you one more thing. I don't think I can show you on this one. Let me find another option that I did. See if this might be it. This is it. Okay, if you do a 16 by 9, you have the option of doing something else really cool. So let me show you. You go here, you hit this little camera, and it will process. Okay, and here's our image. And so as you can see, it's 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 just movement, but how powerful is movement with social media? And so you just download this and you've got it to use for social media. This one, you are not able to put text on top. You'll have to put this into Canva or something to do a text overlay, but I don't know if you really need it. I think you could just put your text, your content in your social media description box, and you're just grabbing some attention to stop the scroll. All right, those are those two new apps. Let me know what you think about them. I'm always in the community. You can contact me there or send me an email.